Hi students, today we discuss group 16 elements or 60A group elements. They are also be named as chalcogens. The group 16 elements are oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium, livermorium. Their atomic numbers are 18, 16, 34, 52, 84 and 116 respectively. Their atomic masses or atomic weights are 16, 32, 79, 128, 210 and 293 respectively. When we observe here, the oxygen and sulfur are an examples for non-metals. Selenium, tellurium are metalloids. Polonium and livermorium are radioactive metals. That means from top to bottom, the metallic character is gradually increases. Now we discuss occurrence. Oxygen is the most abundant element. Dry air contains nearly 21% of oxygen. Sulfur exists in the form of sulfates and in sulfide form. In sulfates like gypsum CaSO4 into H2O, Epsom salt MgSO4 into 7H2O, barite BaSO4, and in sulfides as galena PbS, zinc blende ZnS, copper pyrites CuFeS2. Sulfur can also obtained in organic materials such as eggs, proteins, garlic, onion, mustard seeds, hair and in wool. Selenium, tellurium are found as sulfides in selenides and in tellurides. The polonium is a decay product of uranium and thorium minerals. Now we discuss the electronic configuration. The group 16 elements are having the general electronic configuration as NS2NP4. Atomic and ionic radius. The atomic and ionic radius values gradually increases from top to bottom in a group because of increasing of number of shells as well as atomic size of the individual atoms. Ionization enthalpy. The ionization enthalpy value gradually decreases from top to bottom in a group because of increasing of atomic size or atomic radius. Electron gain enthalpy. The electron gain enthalpy decreases down the group because of increasing of atomic radius. Electronegativity. The electronegativity decreases with the increasing of atomic number. Here, oxygen is the second highest electronegative element. Their electronegativity value is 3.5. It is the second highest electronegative element in a modern periodic table. Now we discuss the chemical properties of group 16 elements. Oxidation states. The common oxidation state of group 16 elements is -2. But in oxygen difluoride, oxygen can show +2 oxidation state. In dioxygen difluoride, oxygen shows +1 oxidation state. Here, the other elements like sulfur, selenium, tellurium can also shows +2, +4, +6 oxidation state. In sulfur, selenium, tellurium, +4 oxidation state is more stable. Now we discuss anomalous behavior of oxygen. Due to the smaller in size and higher electronegativity of oxygen, they form strong hydrogen bonds in water molecule. But the hydrogen bonds in hydrogen sulfide is very weak. Because of smaller size and higher electronegativity, water molecule have strong hydrogen bonds. Now we discuss the reactivity with hydrogen. Group 16 elements reacts with hydrogen and form H2E type of hydrides, where E is equals to oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. Acidic character of hydrides. The acidic character of hydrides increases from H2O to H2PO due to the decrease in bond enthalpy values. Thermal stability. The thermal stability of hydrides decreases from H2O to H2PO. That means H2O is more stable when compared with H2PO. Now we discuss reactivity with oxygen. Group 16 elements reacts with oxygen and form EO2 and EO3 type of oxides, where E is equals to sulfur, selenium, tellurium. The oxides are acidic in nature. Reducing property. The oxides of group 16 elements are having reducing property. The reducing property is as follows. Sulfur dioxide is greater than selenium dioxide is greater than tellurium dioxide. That means here the tellurium dioxide is a oxidizing agent. Now reaction towards the halogens. Group 16 elements reacts with halogen and form EX2, EX4, EX6 type of halides, where E is equals to oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium. Stability of halides decreases in the order of fluoride, more stable than chloride, more stable than bromide, and it is more stable than iodide. Here the fluorides are more stable and their fluorides are in gaseous form. And for example, sulfur hexafluoride is in gaseous form and it is in octahedral shape of structure. Now we discuss the allotropes of group 16 elements. Oxygen. Oxygen can exhibit two allotropes. They are oxygen gas in dimeric form and in trimeric form as ozone. Sulfur. Sulfur exists as rhombic sulfur. It can also be named as alpha sulfur. Monoclinic sulfur, also named as beta sulfur. Selenium. Selenium can exist in two allotropic forms. They are red selenium, bluish metallic appearance of selenium. This is the preliminary information of group 16 elements. Thank you for watching this video.